Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about 30 most common phrases and that can be helpful in improving English. So let's get started. The first phrase is long time no see, which means if you meeting someone after a very long time. And इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है बहुत दिनों से नहीं मिले. इसका एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. Hey Rita, long time no see. The next phrase is you rock. You can use this phrase for praising someone. किसी की सराहना करने के लिए हम इस फ्रेज का यूज कर सकते हैं. The next phrase is don't take it to the heart. If you say something and you are sure that the other person is not going to like it, then you can use this phrase. Let's see the example. Neeta, you are my cousin, but I don't like those pastries. Don't take it to the heart. The next phrase is did I get you right? क्या मैंने तुम्हें सही समझा? We use it to ask for confirmation that you have understood something correctly. The next one is I'd like to add something here. You can use it when you want to introduce an additional point in a discussion. At that time you can say I'd like to add something here. The next phrase is I see where you are coming from. मैं समझ सकता हूँ तुम ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो. We use this phrase when we are understanding someone's opinion. The next one is what have you been up to? It's a casual way to ask someone about their recent activities. इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है आप आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं. The next one is how does that sound? Which means कैसा रहेगा. You can use this phrase if you are suggesting any idea to someone. The next phrase is that's a fair point, which means सही बात है. And we use this when someone in a discussion has a valid point. The next phrase is you can do so, which means आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं. For example, I want to go home. Yes, you can do so. The next one is that's a great idea, which means यह एक बहुत अच्छा विचार है. For example, you should buy this book. Then you'll reply, that's a great idea. The next phrase is fair enough. बात तो सही है. We use it when we agree with someone's point of view or acknowledge that it is a valid point. The next phrase is you nailed it, which means एकदम सही किया तुमने. This phrase is used to express praise when a person completes a task with accuracy. The next one is it's not a rocket science, which means ये कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है. We use this phrase when something is not difficult or hard to understand. The next phrase is that's the spirit. We use it to cheer someone or if we want to boost someone's morale. This is a way to appreciate someone's efforts. The next phrase is I am on the same page, which means मेरी भी यही सोच है या फिर हमें ये कहना है कि मैं सहमत हूँ. So it means to have the same understanding about a situation as others do. The next one is as soon as possible, जितना जल्दी हो सके. It means to do something as quickly as we can. The next one is sorry for being late. It's a very common phrase, which means देर से आने के लिए क्षमा करें. The next phrase is I'm already there, which means मैं पहले से वहीं हूँ. We can use this phrase when someone asks you that where are you? Then you can say I'm already there. इस phrase का use तब किया जाता है जब आप पहले से ही किसी जगह पर मौजूद हो. The next phrase is not even close, which means आस पास भी नहीं. For example, if a person asked how many fruits are there in the basket, I think 20. Not even close, it's over 50. The next phrase is I had no idea, which means मुझे पता नहीं है. If someone asks where is the stationery shop and if we don't know about it, then we can say I have no idea. The next one is that makes sense. It means किसी बात को अच्छी तरह से या पूरी तरह से समझना. We use it to express that we have understood something. The next one is I was wondering, which means मैं सोच रहा था. When you say I was wondering, that means you were thinking about something and were curious to know about it. The next one is I am looking for, which means मैं खोज रहा था. It is used to express that you are searching for something. The next phrase is I told you so. मैंने तुमसे कहा ही था. For example, I forgot my umbrella. I told you so to always keep an extra umbrella in your bag. The next phrase is coming right up, which means बस अभी आ रहा है. It means something will be served quickly. For example, your pizza is coming right up. The next phrase is what's going on? क्या चल रहा है? It's a very common phrase. It is similar to what's happening. So we usually use this phrase on a daily basis. The next one is it's a piece of cake. ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. So if you found something very simple, you would say it was a piece of cake. The next phrase is let's find out. It means to let's learn something or discover something. For example, let's find out who can read this book in a day. The next one is where were we? हम कहाँ थे? या हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? It is used when someone suddenly stops in the middle of a conversation and tries to remember what he was talking. The next phrase is I am not really sure. इसका मतलब है मुझे पक्का यकीन नहीं है. This means that you are not completely sure about something. So friends, these were 30 important phrases which can be helpful in improving English. So if you all find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.